Fight the phobia.
Schools can be violent places. Although there are many examples of schools which have over the past few years consistently been working to create conducive and safe learning environments. Research from many countries still reveals generally highest level of abuse, harassment, and verbal or physical violence experienced by young LGBT people in schools.
The stigma, discrimination, and bullying they suffer goes against the right to education. Studies have widely documented that bullying in school has a huge impact on learning achievement and dropout rates. It is a major obstacle to the right to education. Physiological damage, including low self-esteem, bear permanent marks on people's lives and can lead to self-harming conduct, including suicide.
Research in the US has shown that students who are bullied at schools are more than twice likely to report a suicide attempt than students who are not bullied.
Kids who are different from the majority gender norm suffer most from violence in schools. Violence in schools reflects wider social problems such as racism, discrimination of people with physical and mental disabilities, and others. However, according to the United Nations World Report on Violence Against Children, most bullying is actually sexual or gender-based and targets those perceived as not conforming to prevailing sexual and gender norms.
Young girls who are not feminine enough and young boys who are not masculine enough and specifically exposed to mockery, abuse, exclusion, and violence.
Teachers worldwide must take action. They must know about the importance of a sustainable, safe, and inspiring learning environment. They must act every day to provide it to their students and must develop innovative approaches to tackling sexuality-related bullying in general and homophobia, transphobia in particular in the classroom. Nevertheless, teachers also often experience unease in raising this specific issue. This is why this initiative was developed. It focuses on making use of the PSA as a good opportunity to provide inspiration for teachers. This was our PSA and thanks for watching.